Hi everyone, this is our third video which is based on our chapter probability there. Till now we have discussed our basic concept of probability, and we have also looked out yesterday in the video we have discussed about the concept of playing cards, in which we have seen there are 52 playing cards in which 26 are red, 26 are black. In reds there are 13 suits, and in black there are also 13 suit there. In red is our 13 hearts of suit, and then diamond of suits. Then in the black section we have discussed about there are 13 our spade and 13 clubs are there. Then after that we have seen that there are in 13 cards there are numbering like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there is at the place of 1 there is ace named as Ikka. Then we have king, queen, and jack there. Now in today's section we are going to discuss about if you have a time, then we are going to discuss about when 3 coins are tossed, then what is its sample space there. And today I am selected some board problems and NCERT problems to explain you to explore your knowledge about probability concept there. Then let's start it. Look, we have one of the problem on the screen there. What do we have? Out of a pack of 52 playing cards, 2 black and 2 black kings and 4 red cards were lost. Then we have to find the probability. Then we have to find the probability that the card drawn is a red card, is a second it's a king, and third it's a black card. Then we have to find it's a maybe black jack and black queen. Now it's one of the problem. Till now we have discussed only that we have card there, but here this problem, what we have, out of 52 playing cards, 2 black king and 4 red cards are missing or lost there. Cards are missing there. We have noted this card at mentioned there. Then now then there is a change in our sample space there, and we have to be consider that we have not going to be considered that's our portion there. Then look, what is our sample space? We are going to start with first of all we are going to start our sample space. Look, start with in solution part, number of remaining cards. Look, here are 2 cards, 2 black cards and 4 red, means there are total 6 cards are missing there. And we have how many cards? 52 cards. 52 minus 6, then we have 46 cards are left there in the playing cards. Now this is our NS, this is our sample space here. Now we are going to find a probability one by one. Start with our first version of probability. Now red card, let's suppose our A be the even, getting red card. Now look, here given that there are 4 red card are missing there, and what is number of A is what? Total we have 26 red card there and 4 are missing there. Then we have 26 minus 4, we have only 22 red card because 4 red cards are lost there. Then now what is probability? Then probability of A is given by number of favorable to the number of total. It's a 22 upon 46. 22 upon 46. Then we it's a 11 upon 23. This is our required answer of the first portion. Our card is red card, and our probability is what? It's a 11:23. Now we are going to move with our second part. Now we have to get the probability when it's a king. Let we take our event B, getting a king there. Now lost cards are 2 of them are black kings. It's not a knowledge about a red king there, and 4 black kings are lost there and 4 red cards. It's not telling that it's in red card the king's cards are lost there. Then obviously we have a the total we have there 4 kings there, 2 of them red and 2 of them black there. Now then what we have, now there is a king of we have to find out the king of red there, getting a king there, sorry, we are not, it's red there, we are just getting a king there. There are total 4 kings and 2 black kings are lost. Then we have only 2 kings there, then number of favorable is 2 there, and total sample space having 46 card. Then in this case our probability of B is given by number of favorable 2 and total is our 46 card. Then it's a 1/23. Now we are moved to our third portion. What we have to find out, it's a black card. It's not mentioned there which a black card is, what it's just mentioned there. We have to find a black card, and here it's given 2 black kings are missing there, total 26 black card are there and 2 of kings missing. Then what we have total 24 black card there. Then number of favorable cases, what we have number of favorable cases here for getting black card. Total we have 26 card and 2 of them lost. Then we have 24. This is our, just take E, number of favorable 24 cards, and the probability of E is given by number of favorable. We have 24, but sample space having only 46 card, then divided by 46. Now what we have, 12:23 to getting probability of black card there. Now we have get a red card, probability of red card, probability of king, probability of black. Now we are going to find out the probability of getting black jack there. Let our F is what, it's a getting a black jack. Now look, there is only missing card 2 black kings there, it's not about the black jack. Then we have the total of 4 jack, 2 of them red, 2 of them is black there, and number of favorable what we have is 2, because we have total 4 jack there, but he's just asking about black jacks there. Then we have total 2 black jacks there. Then our probability of F is given by number, we have to write down number of favorable to the number total. I'm just going to solve by taking 2 and 46. Then what we get, then probability of getting a black jack is 1/23. Now the last section, what we have the last section asking there, it's ask about black queen. Again we have 2 queens which are red and 2 queens black, 2 black queens are there. Then we have to find the probability of black getting a black queen. Let's suppose it's event even. We have a event even getting a black queen. Then favorable is what, for favorable event is what, there are only 2 black queens and total number of sample space we have 46 cards. Now then what we have for probability of even, and that's mean probability of getting a black queen, what we have 2:46. Then we are going to solve it. So then we get, this is our required probability of the same problem. Then now we are moved to our next problem. What we given, given that 2 dice are numbered, we have given that 2 dice are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means on one dice we have mentioned here the numbers are what, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on second dice the numbers are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That means this is a biased dice. This is unbiased dice because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All numbers are there, but there are one of two. We have 2 dice. One of them is it's unbiased. Then this is not biased because it's a repeating of numbers there, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, respectively. They are thrown, and the sum of the numbers noted. Find the probability of getting each sum is 2 to 9. Now we have to find each sum from 2 to 9. And now first of all there are 2 dice, and we know that its sample space containing 6 into 6, 36 numbers there, but it's now they are repeating. Then we have to first of all form its sample space there. Then in solution. We are going to find out for this sample space. When we take 1, then it's a 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3. And we start with what do we have? Look, we take only 1 there. 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3. Now I'm going to take 2. Then we have 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 2 3 2 3. Then take 3 3 1 3 1 3 2 3 2 3 3 3 3. Then 4 1 4 1 4 2 4 2 4 3 4 3. And next 5 1 5 1 5 2 5 1 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 3. And the last take 6 1 6 1 6 2 6 2 6 3 6 6 3. This is our sample space for given information. You take when you are going to count it, then our number of sample space, it's a 36 there. Now we have to find the probability of the getting each sum from. We have to find when we sum is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now then we have there are total 8 cases there. We have to find out its probability from 8. I'm just going to find out some of them, and the rest of them all of you are going to find out. Just suppose I'm going to get start with the event. Let E is what? Sum on the dice is 2. Then what we have favorable there? It's a 1 1 and 1 1. This is our favorable event. Then is in this case what we have? Its probability is only 2 cases are favorable. The odds or sum on the dice is 2 there. Only this 1 and 2. Then we have 2 upon 36. After solving we get it's 1 upon 80. This is our first portion. Second part, when our event even, sum on the dice, sum on the 2 dice is 3. Then what is favorable cases in this case? Then the sum is 3. It's a 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1. These are favorable cases when the sum on the dice is 3. Then what is probability? Number of favorable, we have 4 to the number of total 36. Then we get 1 upon 9. Now next E2. What is E2? Sum on the dice is what? 2 3. Then 4 there. Then number of favorable cases is what? Or favorable cases is what? When we get sum is 4 there. Then what is it? It's a 1 3 1 3 2 2 2 2. Then 3 1 3 1. These are favorable cases. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then in this case what is our probability? Probability it is what? It's a total, 1 2 3 4. We have 6 there. 6 upon 36. Then we get 1 by 6. Take more than 1, and the rest of them all of you are going to find out. I'm just going to find out. I'm going to find out probability of getting 2, getting 3, getting 4, getting 5, getting 6, 7, 8, 9. All of you are going to find out. I'm just going to taking last. E3 is what? Sum on the dice is 5. Then what is favorable cases when the sum on the dice is 5? our favorable cases is given by what do we have when we get 5, it's a 2 3 2 3 3 2 3 2, then 2 3 2 3 3 2 3 2, 4 1 and 4 1, 1 2 3 4 5. So again there is 6 cases there. The probability of getting sum on the dice is 5 is what? It's a 6 by 36. That's 1 by 6. Now I'm in this problem I'm making sample space there, and I find out some of the since it's a lengthy problem, we have to find the probability of getting each sum from 2 to 9, and I'm finding out sum on the dice is 5 there. Now you are going to be I hope so you are understand that problem, and you are able to find out the sum of the probability getting 6 7 8 and 9. Then getting yourself, now find the probability of getting sum on dice 6 7 8 and 9 by yourself. Now we are moved to our next problem there. What is it? Now it's a given here. We have a cards. It's drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of a playing cards. Now we have to find the probability of a drawing face card. Find the probability of drawing a face card, and second is card with neither a king and nor a red card. Now a card is drawing at random from well shuffled deck of a playing card. Obvious in solution it's it's not relatively difficult there, because you know that there are 52 cards. Then then number of sample space what we having 52 there. Now we have to first of we have to find the card that it's a face card there. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. Find the probability. First probability is that we have to find face card there. Now what is our number of face cards? It's our face card is what? Yesterday I've explained you. There are 4 king plus 4 queen and 4 jacks. In total we have 12 cards. This 12 cards is our face card there. Now then our number of favorable cases, that is n of e is what? 12, and n is s is what? 52. The probability of e is given by n number of favorable cases to the number of total sample spaces. Then what do we have? We have 12 upon 52. What do we get? That's 4 3 12, 4 1 4, 4 3 12. Then our required answer is what? 3:13. Now there is one more problem there. In second one, it's asking about card with neither a king or nor a red card. Now we have to find out it's neither a king or nor a red card. Sorry, it's neither a king and nor a red card. Then if you have neither a king or nor a red card, then there are 4 king. This portion is this portion is important part, because there you should done a mistake there. It's telling it we have to find a card. It's neither a king and nor a red card there. Then what is our number of favorable cases here? Look clearly, look and listen carefully there. We have total 52 card there. Now we are going to find out number of cards which contains neither a king or nor a red card. And look, we have 26 red card there. In 26 red card there, now we have to find out. Then we are going to be substitute our 26 red card there. Now in the red card, in there in red card, 26 red card, there is also including 2 king there, and we have to be minus there of neither king, since there is a 4 king there, but in 4 2 of the king are included in 26 there, because in 26 red card we have already counted here 2 kings of red card there. Then with this 2 kings are left of the black card, then we have to just minus 26 plus 2. There would be a little mistake done by you. That's you're going 26 plus king of 4, 30. You are going to get less here, 13 then. And you have to remember that because in 26 our 2 red king are included already there. Then we have to just add 2 there, 2 of black kings. Now what we have? Number of favorable cases is what? 52 minus 28. Down then what do we have left there? 52 minus 28. Then we have 24 there. Now what is probability? Probability of number of card neither king nor a red card is given by number of favorable. What we have? 24. Number of total what we have? 52. Then it's 4 6 24 and 4 13 is 52. Sorry, this is our 6 is to 30. This is our required answer. Now look, we are now able to move with our next problem there. Now what is our next problem? Now we are given that 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that the sum of 2 numbers appearing on the top is less than or equal to 10. This is again an important problem there, and also it's asked in our board examination. Look, there are 2 ways to solve it, but I am just going to explain you by a method you find out by getting it's by using our complementary concept there. What I am going to do, just look, we have to be when 2 dice are thrown there, then there are 36 samples, there are 36 elements in our sample spaces. Then to count that the sum is less than or equal to 10, or there are so many elements. What we do, we know that sum on the dices is the highest sum on the dice is our 6 plus 6 12, then 11, then 10. If we are going to find out the sum on the dices are 11 and 12, because we have to find the sum is equal to less than or equal to 10, then what we do, we are just going to find out the favorable of the number of favorable of getting the sum of the 2 numbers appearing on the top, it's greater than 10. Then its sum is what? It's 11 and 12. Then we have just it's a 6 5 5 6 and 6 6 there. Then we get the probability of the getting the probability of sum of 11 or 12. If we are getting the sum of probability on 11 or 12, when we are going to take its complement, our complementary event there, if you are going to 1 minus p getting a sum of 11 12, then we get what is, we get the sum on the playing card is what, it's a sum is less than 10 or equal to 10 there. Then this is our basic concept of our complementary event there. Then let's do is what we do, solution, what we start with number of sample spaces. What is, it's 6 into 6. What we have, there are 36 ways. Now what we do, we are going to getting a sum of 11 or 12. Now we are going to getting a sum of 11 12. Then favorable cases are, what is our favorable cases there? Our favorable cases is we have 5 6 6 5 and 6 6. Now this is our favorite cases there. And then we are going to getting our probability there. Probability of getting a sum 11 or 12 is what? It's a February 3, total is 36. Now we are getting a probability of getting a sum of 11 or 12 there, but we have to find the probability of appearing in the top is less than or equal to 10 there. It's less than or equal to 10. Then by our complementary probability even, then probability of getting a sum less than 10 or equal to 10 is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a sum 11 or 12. This is our complementary of probability formula, complementary event formula there. What we have, 1 minus probability of getting sum 11 12 is what, it's 1 by 12, 1 minus 1 by 12, then what do we have, it's a 12 minus 1 by 12, then we have 11 by 12. This is our first method. You are also solve it by using second alternate method there. Suppose you are asking about find the number of total number of pairing on the top is less than or equal to 10, then you have to write down its sample space there. It's a 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Now all sum is less than 10, then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Again all the sums are 3 4 5 less than 10 there. 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Again the sum is 9 there. Again it's a less than 10. 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Now what we have to pairing the top is less than or equal to 10, then it's a 4 plus 6 10, 4 5 9, then it's also considered there. Now 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Look, 5 plus 6 11, we cannot take this, then cross it. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. Now here sum on the dice is 11, we cannot take it, and sum on the dice is 12, we cannot take it, and this is our required favorable. Total 36 there, but 3 are, we cannot take 3 of them. Then number of favorable, what do we have, number of favorable is 33 there, and total sample space containing 36, then our probability is given by 33 is to 36. What is it? It's 313. Look, our answer is here. Also we get 11 by 12. This is also our 11 by 12. This is our basic concept to solve. What will be better than are you able to understand? Try to do that. Now we are going to able to move to next problem there. What is our next problem? We have two dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting such numbers on the two dice whose product is a perfect square. Look, again we have a two dice problem there. Then our sample space is given by 6 into 6. There are total 36 ways. Now what we have to find our whose product is a perfect square. Such numbers on two dice whose product is a perfect square. Now we have to find such numbers whose product is a perfect square there. Look, we have already written in our last example there such pairs there. Now product of 1 is to 1 1, it's our perfect square number. We take this is our favorable. Also 1 into 4, 4 is a perfect square number of 2, 1 5 1 6 not, 2 1 not. This is 2 2 4, this is perfect square number. 2 3 6 2 4 8 2 5 10 2 6 12 3 1 3 2 3 3 9. This is our perfect square number. Getting material product is perfect square. 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4. This is our perfect square. Product is perfect square 4. Now 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5. Product is a perfect square number. Then 6 1 6 12 6 3 18 6 4 24 5 6 5 30. Then this is our 6 6 36. This is what is our favorable? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We are going to write down our favorable outcomes there, which are going to favor because we have to find out whose product is a perfect square number there. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can verify that we are not going to miss any number there. look, we missing the one number there. This is our 4 1, because we get 4 1 is also product is perfect square. Now our favorable cases, what we have favorable cases, it's a 1 1 1 4 1 1 1 4, then we have 2 2 3 3, and then we have 4 1 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is our favorable cases. N of E, what is, it's a 8. Now we are going to go to getting probability of getting a whose product is a perfect square is total 8 favorable cases and total 36. Then we have 4 2 8, 4 9 36. This is our required, 2 by 9.